Hey everyone, it's been a while since my last video. I was so busy in the last few weeks with work, but I'm back with a Decorate With Me for Christmas. We're gonna take this bar cart, clean it up, and completely change it into a Christmas cocoa bar. Before we start, I want to show you a couple things that I got the last couple of months for my Christmas cocoa bar. And we'll start with these two glasses. This is from a brand called Blonde in Amsterdam. And these are candy cane motif glass. They're so cute. My friend Naz helped me bring this over. She also helped me bring these two peppermint plates. They're going to be so cute to use for all the cakes and sweets. Got this Starbucks 2022 edition release of a Christmas tree mug. Love it. It's so quirky. Raydon's gotta happen, of course. This is a Valentine's jar, but I thought it would match the cocoa jar that I've got over at the back there. This is a gift I got from my good friend Lindsay many years ago. I still keep it with me and I thought it would be perfect for Christmas with its bright metallic red. This candy striped tea towels from H&M Home. It's gonna tie the cocoa bar together so well. I fell in love with these salt and pepper shakers and it's so cute. Perfect for the cocoa bar. A pair of tongs, which I'm going to use for scooping snacks. I've got also this really beautiful peppermint or candy bowl. Best buy from Amazon. This is another gift from Naz. She got me this limited edition gingerbread hot cocoa, and I've got these spoons to stir all my hot cocoa with. But what I'm really excited to show you guys is this gashapon machine that I've got, or bubblegum machine, and I filled it with Hershey Kisses and peppermint pillows, and it works, you guys. It's so cute. How many people can say that they have a gashapon machine at home? Alright, it's time to fill all the snacks in. I've got a couple of stuff from Marks and Spencer and from the supermarket. I'm going to use these corking jars from IKEA, polish them up, clean them, and fill it with these peppermint pillows that Naz brought for me as well. She's such a giver, I tell you. These are so cute, they're so delicious, and it's gotta go with the whole Christmas spirit. I fill it in and I also tie a label there and stick a holly sticker on top of each one with a label. And I proceed to do this for marshmallows, caramels, and the white chocolate chunks as well. Next, we're gonna fill in the bottles with some syrup. I'm gonna fill this with gingerbread. Again, using these IKEA corking small bottles, and this is for gingerbread, but I've also got frosted mint and toffee nut. Life is not complete without sprinkles. Elaine helped me bring this in from Malaysia, such a sweetheart, and I filled it up in tubes and put it in these cute little ceramic marshmallow cups. Onward to the snacks, we've got pretzels in these penguin jars and chocolate mint creams in the smaller one. I'm going to also take all these candy canes and stuff them in the top of another marshmallow ceramic mug. I also purchased these from AliExpress carousel candy cane jars, and I'm going to fill one up with Jaffa cakes and the other one with, of course, shortbread. Just realized how British this is. Jaffa cakes and shortbread. But these are so cute. They've got like festive shapes, and I'm just going to fill it all the way up. Each one is fitted with a label and we are good to go. We are now moving on to the cocoa. It's gotta fit in this Raydon canister. I'm gonna use Swiss Miss rich chocolate mix and just fill that up to the brim. Add these wooden spoons to scoop out the hot cocoa powder. Now that we have our cart clean, I am gonna start decorating. I've added these little tiered tray wooden signs. And I've also changed the ribbon from a Halloween to a candy cane one for this key bottle opener. Let's start first by putting up the big clunky stuff. Out goes the gashapon machine. And I want my ingredients to be perfectly displayed and visible at all times. So this tiered acrylic stand would be really useful, putting it at the side, and the large cocoa canister. On goes all the different ingredients, stacking them up, and you can see they're all visible thanks to the tiered acrylic stand. I'm going to put the two mics here, and I want you to see this, guys. This I got from Marks and Spencer. It is a gingerbread cookie tin, but it also doubles up as a musical box. And it plays We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So cute. Possibly another one of the great buys for the cocoa bar, and it's going right on top. For the rest of the cocoa bar, I'm using a marshmallow cup for the straws and another marshmallow cup. This is going to hold all the empty gashapon shells so I can put them back and reuse them later. 2 spoons will just fit in there. Oops. It will just fit in that straw holder over there. And I'm also temporarily placing this here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet or where to place it. Then this cinnamon powder over here because I like a little bit of spice in my winter drinks. Tea towel goes at the side of the cart here. I'm just going to loop it and hang it over at the side of the cocoa bar cart. Now when I had the Halloween party, I found that the bottom 2 trays were a little bit dim. So I decided to purchase these fairy lights over here, which are USB activated, and put it at the 2 bottom shelves to light it up. But we're gonna stack in all the goodies now, putting in all the big, heavy, chunky stuff, all the cakes and biscuits, just making some adjustments, adding that beautiful crystals tray, and these are stoop waffles as well, again from Naz. Goodness, she got me so much stuff. And then a little candy hearts jar is currently filled with popcorn, making space for the peppermint plates and the tree mug. I'm gonna try to fit everything here, adding all the glass, and I'm just gonna try to make things fit here without breaking them too much. This tub of deliciousness belongs to me. I am going to put it at the bottom tray where nobody can find it. And with the cocktail shaker, because really, I don't think I want to drink Christmas mimosas at all. I also forgot to add the marshmallow with the candy canes, so here I am making space again so I can try to fit it in at the corner here. Here you go, buddy. The final touch is to add the sprinkles, and I'm going to remove that tongue. And I'm so proud of the hot cocoa bar sign that I DIY'd myself. And here it is, ladies and gentle elf, the complete cocoa bar. I must say I did a pretty good job. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. With the lights on, it looks completely magical. And that's all I have for you today, folks. Happy holidays, enjoy decorating. Don't forget to hit that bell and also subscribe and follow me on my socials. See you guys next time.